Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying list data structure inside Python and this is our 12th video. In this video we will see clear method present inside the list method. First we will create a list object. S is equal to, and we call the list function which will create a list object with the name S. If I want to see the method of the object S, I want to write I will write dirs, click on the cell, run the cell, you will see the methods available inside list method. The second method which is available is a clear method. If I want to see the information regarding the clear method, I will write the list object name s.clear clear and question mark. This will display information regarding the clear method. Signature is s.clear. It does not take any argument. What does it do? Removes all the item from the list and it is a built-in function or a method. Close the window and let's add some element to the list S. Suppose first element is 10, second element is a string Python, third element is a decimal value 2.5 and fourth element is a sublist 1,2. List is created. Click on the cell, run the cell, see the value inside the list S. Now if we run clear method, the list will be empty. S dot clear, it doesn't take any argument. Opening and closing parentheses, run the cell and you see the cell has executed successfully. After seeing the value of the list is empty. That's it about the clear list method. Do hit the subscribe button if you like the content. See you in the next video.